ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमा कोमलहस्ताब्ज संभावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யஹம். स्वाम्ये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृतं कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानंद सांद्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिक फलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाठी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्री भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീരക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീടേണ്ടാത്തോരു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone. I don't know what happened. Nobody else is on. Anyway, we'll get started. So, Vijay, I think today we were going to do the 51, right? So, Vijay, can you do 51?
Sure.
Okay. Then I think we can just get into the class directly, right? So, Priya and Savita, you can be students unless somebody else joins. Okay, if somebody else joins, I will call them. You go ahead.
Om Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Kadachana Prajashishubhis samam bhavan vanashane vihitamatif pragetaram samavrito bahutara vatsa mandalaihi sate manai nirgamadishaje manaihi viniryatasthava charanam bhujatvayate udanchitam tribhuvana pavanam rajaha महर्षयः पुलकधैर्करैर्भरैः उदूहिरे धृतभवदीक्षणोत्सवाः प्रचारयत्यविरलशाद्वले तले पशून् विभो भवति समं कुमारकैः अघासुरोऽन्यरुणधगाय वर्तनीम् भयानकः सपदि शयानकाकृतिः महाचल प्रतिमतनोर्गुहानिभः प्रसारित प्रथित मुखस्य कानने मुखोधरं विहरण कौतुकात् गताः कुमारकाः किमपि विधूरघे त्वयि प्रमादतः प्रविशति पन्नगोदरं क्व तत्तनौ पशुपकुले सवात्सके विधन्निधं त्वमपि विवेशितः प्रभो सुहृज्जनं विशरणमाशु रक्षितुं गलोदरे विपुलितवर्ष्मणा त्वया महोरगे लुठति निरुद्धमारुते द्रुतं भवान् विदलितकण्ठमण्डलो विमोचयन् पशून् विनिर्ययो क्षणं दिवि त्वदुपगमार्थमास्थितं महासुरप्रभवमहो महो महत् विनिर्गते त्वयि तु निलीनमञ्जसा नभस्थले नृत रथो जगुस्सुराः सविस्मयी कमलभवादिभिः सुरैः अनुद्रुतस्तदनुगतः कुमारकैः दिने पुनस्तरुणदशामुपेयुषी स्वखैर्भवान् तनुत भोजनोत्सवम् विषाणिकामपि मुरलीनितम्बके निवेशयन् कपलधरः कराम्बुजे प्रहासयन् कलवचनैकं कुमारकान् बुभोजितः त्रिदशगणैर्मुदानुतः सुखाशनं त्विह तव गोपमण्डले मखाशनात् प्रियमिव देवमण्डले इति स्तुतिस्त्रिदशवरैर्जगत्पते मरुत्पुरी निलय गदात् प्रपाहि माम् कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Very good. All right. So since Jayashree Sriram is on, so Jayashree, you can be a student for the next chapter today.
Yeah, Rajesh, 5 minutes, Rajesh. Sorry, we got up right now. She's coming.
Okay.
Now, okay.
Okay. Now, I think we left at stanza 5, right? We finished till 5.
We finished 5.
5. Okay. Any Savita, any of you want to do the first 5 before we get started?
Priya, you want to do it?
Try it, Sabita. Pongo.
I can say I just wasn't sure if you had practiced the first 5 and all that.
Nah, practice panla Rajesh.
No worries.
Try panneta. Shall I try?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Anyavatra Sri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Anyavataranikareshvanirekshitam te Bhumatirekamabivikshya tadaghamokshe Brahma parikshitu manaksa paroksha bhavam निन्येत वत्सकगणान् प्रवितस्य मायां वत्सानवीक्ष्य विवशे पशुपोत्करे तान् आनेतु काम इव दातृमथानुवर्ती त्वं सामि भुक्तकबलो गतवां तदानीं भुक्तां स्थिरोदितसरोजभवः कुमारान् वत्सायितस्तदनुगोपगणायितस्त्वं शिक्यादिभाण्डमुरलीगवलादिरूपः प्राग्वद्विहृत्य विपिनेषु चिराय सायं त्वं माययात बहुधा व्रजमाययात त्वामेव शिक्य गवलादिमयं दधानो भूयस्त्वमेव पशुवत्सकबालरूपः घोरूपिणीभिरपि गोपवधूमयीभिः आसादितोऽसि जननीभिरतिप्रहर्षात् जीवं हि कञ्चिदभिमानवशात् स्वकीयं मत्वा तनूज इति रागवरं वहन्त्यः आत्मानमेव तु भवन्तमवाप्य सूनुं प्रीतिं ययुर्न कियतीं वनिताश्च गावः.
Very good. Okay, so we'll get started with 6. Hey Sri Vidya, can you be a student today? The 50, okay?
53 ka?
52, remaining of 52, and then the next one. Okay. Okay, right?
நம்ம 54 தானே இந்த வாரம் பார்க்க போறோம்.
52 in or half irukku. So we'll
Okay.
get that also. Okay. So Sri Vidya and then Jay Sri and Nipino and Jay Sri is back, right? Till then, maybe Savita, you can cover till Jay.
Yeah. She's here.
Easier. Okay. All right. So let's start with stanza 6. Evam pratikshana vijumbita harsha bhara nishesha gopagana lalita bhuri murtim twamagrajopi bhubude kilavatsarante brahmatmanorapi mahan yuvayor visheshaha. Before we get into 6, just a quick recap, right? So after the Aghasura incident happened, Brahma wanted to test Krishna. So on the Samhita, Brahma then comes and then he makes the calves and then the gopas invisible, or he takes them somewhere, whatever, they disappear. And we saw how Krishna let Brahma do that because he wanted to teach Brahma a lesson of Nena. So when that happened, then Krishna immediately, what happens was he starts becoming each of those gopas and the calves. And we spoke about how he also becomes the murali becomes also their flute, also becomes their horn, becomes their lunchbox. And we also talked about how he became the leftover food in their lunchbox as well. And with all of them, they all go back. And when they all go, the mothers of the gopas or the cows, neither of them are able to recognize that this is Krishna. And so they think it's their own child. But somehow they are all beginning to feel more love because it's Krishna himself who's now come in the form of their children. So that's where we actually left last time. So here in this manner, so every minute that was passing by, these mothers of the gopas and the cows, the mother of the calves, they continue to now love Krishna in multiple forms. If you think of the gopikas, so they are not only loving Krishna, who's as their own son, they are also loving the calf, who's also Krishna. And like we spoke last time, they are also suddenly seeing that they're liking their neighbor's son also more nowadays, right? Because that's Krishna is in the form of that son as well. So that is going on for a really long time. And here, Twam Agraja, your elder brother, Balarama, even he did not realize that this had actually happened. And it was only after Vatsarante, only after almost 1 year had passed, that he actually realized this. And the reason here Bhattacharya says is, although both of you are instantiations or forms of Brahman, Balarama is not a Purna avataram of the Lord, and you are Purna avataram of the Lord, because of which he himself was not able to recognize the Maya or all the things that you were actually creating of Krishna. So that was the impact of it, and they were not able to realize it. And this is not in this, but in Bhagavatam, they actually tell, even explain. So they are saying how once when the way Balarama even realizes this is they all take the cows grazing. And Patanakan, the cows, whenever they give birth to new calves, they tend to give milk to the new calves as a priority because it's a newborn child, right? So the 1 year is over, right? And then they are grazing, and suddenly the cows, they see the old calves at a distance. The calves who Krishna is come in the form of those old calves, right? So the cows are rushing to those old calves to give milk to those old calves instead of giving it to its own newborn calves. So that's when Balarama is realizing that something is not right here, right? Because this is unprecedented. And that's when he asks Krishna that tell me the truth, what is actually happening? And then Krishna then tells Balarama everything that has actually happened so far. So that's where it is right now. So evam pratikshana vijrumbita harshabhara, and then put a plus, nishesha gopa gana lalita bhuri murtam tvam agrajopi bhubude kila vatsarante, comma, brahmatmanorapi, one word, brahmatmanorapi mahan yuvayor visheshaha. एवं प्रतिक्षण विजृंभित हर्ष भार निशेष गोपगण लालित भूरि मूर्तिम त्वामग्रजोपि भुबुधे किल वत्सरान्ते ब्रह्मात्मनोरपि महान् युवयोर् विशेषः.
एवं प्रतिक्षण विजृंभित हर्षभार निःशेष गोपगणलालित भूरि मूर्तिं त्वामग्रजोऽपि बुबुधे किल वत्सरान्ते ब्रह्मात्मनोरपि महान् युवयोर्विशेषः. एवं प्रतिक्षण विजृंभित हर्षभार निःशेष गोपगणलालित भूरि मूर्तिं त्वामग्रजोऽपि बुबुधे किल वत्सरान्ते ब्रह्मात्मनोरपि महान् युवयोर्विशेषः.
एवं प्रदक्षिण विजृंभित हर्षपार निशेष गोपकनलालित पूरि मूर्तिं त्वामग्रजोऽपि बुबुधे किल वत्सरान्ते ब्रह्मात्मनोरपि महान् युवयोर्विशेषः. Sorry.
Second line, nishesha, and go half ish irukku. So nishesha gopagana.
Okay.
Okay.
एवं प्रदक्षिण विजृंभित हर्षपार निशेष गोपगण लालित गोपगण பாஸ் கொடுக்கணுமா?
பாஸ் கொடுக்க வேண்டாம். You can say it continuously. Gopagana.
அந்த இது டியூன் வர மாட்டேங்குது.
एवं प्रतिक्षण विजृंभित हर्षभार निशेष गोपगण लालित भूरि मूर्तिम.
ओके. एवं प्रदक्षिण विजृंभित हर्षभार निशेष गोपगण लालित भूरि मूर्तिं त्वामग्रजोऽपि बुबुधे किल वत्सरान्ते ब्रह्मात्मनोरपि महान् युवयोर्विशेषः.
Stanza 7. वर्षावधौ नवपुरातन वत्सपालान् दृष्ट्वा विवेकमसृणे द्रुहिणे विमूढे प्रादीदृशः प्रतिनवान् मकुटाङ्गदादिभूषांश्चतुर्भुजयुजस् सजलाम्बुधाभान्. So now, when 1 year has now passed, Varsha Avadau, human years, 1 year has passed, which was like some instant for Brahma, right? They haven't said exactly how much. So after for an instant for Brahma, so he was now curious what has happened, because I've taken all these calves, I've taken all these Gopa boys. So let me see what is Krishna dealing with. So when Brahma now comes, and in an instant when he sees what is actually happening, he's seeing that all those calves are still there. And they are actually grown. He's seeing that all those Gopa boys are there and they have actually grown. And he's seeing that he's having a pair of those boys and the calves. and he's also seeing another pair of the boys and the calves out there in Vrindavan as well. So Brahma is now getting confused. Drishtva, having looking at that, he's now confused as to, he's unable to distinguish which is the real boy, or who is the real boy and who is the imitable boy, because they all look exactly the same. And so Brahma is now really getting confused. So then when Brahma eventually comes there, now what you do, O Lord, is you now show Brahma, you reveal the cows, the calves, and the Gopa boys who are with Krishna in Vrindavan. You make all of them look like how you are, right, in Vaikuntham. So which means they all now have Makuta, they all have the crown, and Anga, they have all the shoulder ornaments and all the other bhushan, all the other jewels and everything. And they all have Chaturbhujaha, they all have 4 arms, and they all are Sajalambudaban, they all have the color of the dark clouds. So Krishna makes all the Gopa boys and the calves looks like how he is in Vrindavan, to make Brahma differentiate. What Brahma has is one set of boys, and everybody here is Krishna himself who is in that form. He's essentially saying that it is Krishna himself who's there in everybody anyways, but he's also showing to Brahma that all of these are me alone. So Varsha Vadhau Nava Puratana Vatsapalan, comma, Drishtva Vivekam Asrune. If you want to break it, Vivekam Asrune or Vivekam Asrune, Druhine Vimudhe, Pradi Drishaha. So put the if, Pradi Drishah, Pratinavan, Makutangadhadhi, Makuta Angada Adi, 3 different words, Makutangadhadhi, and then put a plus, Bhushams Chatur Bhuja Yujaha, so put a is there, Yujas, Sajalambudhaban, Sajala Ambudhaban, so we can say it together, Sajalambudhaban. So the last 2 lines are together, no break there. Varsha Vadau Nava Puratana Vatsapalan, Drishtva Vivekamasrune Druhine Vimudhe, Pradidrishah Pratinavan Makutangadhade Bhushams Chatur Bhujayujas Sajalam Budaban.
वर्षावधौ नवपुरादनवत्सपालान् दृष्ट्वा विवेकमसृणे द्रुहिणे विमूढे प्रादिदृशः प्रदिनवान् मकुडाङ्गदादिभूषां च चतुर्भुजयुजः सकलां बुधाबान्.
The last line, Bhushams Chaturbhuja.
Bhushams Chaturbhuj. Okay.
Okay, and
Now
then
so extra.
yeah. And then the last word, Sajalambudhaban. I think you said something else.
Sajalambu Sakalan solirken.
Sakala. I think you said Sakala. Yeah. Sajalambu.
Okay. Varshavadho Nava Puradana Vatsapalan Drishtva Vivekamasrune Druhine Vimudhe Pradirushav Pradinavan Makudangadadi Bhushams Chaturbhujayujas Sajalam Budaban.
Varshabhadau Navapuradana Vatsapalan Drishva Vivegamasrune Druhine Vimude Pradi Drishah Pradinavan Magudangadadi Bhushams Chadurbhujabujas Sajalam Budapan.
Last line, Bhuja Yujas.
Okay. Bhushams Bhuja Yujas Sajalam Budapan. Varshabhadau Navapuradana Vatsapalan Drishtva Vivegamasrune Druhine Vimude Pradi Drishaf Pradinavan Magudangatadi Bhushams Chadurbhuja Yujas Sajalam Bhutapan.
Stanza 8. Pratyekameva kamala parilalitanghan Bhogindra Bhoga Shayana Nayana Bhiraman Leela Nimilita Drishas Sanakadi Yogya Vyase Vitan Kamala Bhurbhavato Dadarsham. And the movies like the graphics that's shown, right? So first he's in one way, then he shows something else, then he shows something else. Eventually he comes back. And the Mari, first Krishna was there. Brahma saw all the Gopa boys and the calves and Krishna standing. That was one. Then second, Krishna showed all of them as the four-armed Krishna with the black color and wearing all those Makuta, Angadi and all that stuff. That was second one. So here, Pratyeka, in each of them, in each of the boys and in each of the calves, Brahma then saw, and the Kamalabhu is the lotus-born Brahma, he then sees you who is now in your Ananta Shayanam position. So you are now lying on Adishesha with Lakshmi Devi sitting there at your feet, and you are in Yoga Nidra with your eyes closed, and all the Sanakan, all the other sages are actually worshipping you. So in that, actually how the Lord is now lying in there, like that, he shows exactly every boy and every calf is also now being displayed in that form to Brahma as well. So Brahma is now seeing in each of them, he's seeing the ultimate Brahman lying there, and he's getting even more confused as to what is actually happening. So Pratyekameva Kamala Pari Lalitangan, comma, Bhogindra Bhoga Shayanan. Bhogindra is the Bhoga means snake. Bhogindra means the king of snakes, referring to Adishesha. So Bhogindra Bhoga Shayanan Nayanabhiraman Leela Nimilita Drishaha is there. So put a is Drishas Sanakadi Yogi, small e, Yogi, and then put a plus. Vyase Vithan Kamalabhur Bhavato Dhadarsha. Pratyekameva Kamala Parinalitangan Bhogindra Bhoga Shayana Nayana Bhiraman Leela Nimilita Drishas Sanakadi Yogya Vyase Vitan Kamalabhur Bhavato Dadarsha.
प्रत्येकमेव कमला परिलालिताङ्गान् भोगीन्द्रभोगश्चयनान् नयनाभिरामान् लीला निमीलित दृशस् सनकादियोगे व्यासे विधान् कमलभूर्भवतो ददर्श. प्रत्येकमेव कमला परिलालिताङ्गान् योगीन्द्रयोगशयनान् नयनाभिरामान् लीला निमीलितदृशः सनकादियोगी व्यासे विधान् कमलभूर्भवतो ददर्श.
प्रत्येकमेव कमला परिलालिताङ्गान् भोगीन्द्रभोगशयनान् नयनाभिरामान् लीलालिमीलित दृशः सनकादियोगी व्यासे विदान् कमलभूर्भवतो ददर्श. प्रत्येकमेव कमला परिलालिताङ्गान् भोगीन्द्रभोगशयनान् नयनाभिरामान् लीला निमीलित दृशः सनकादियोगी व्यासे विदान् कमलभूर्भवतो ददर्श.
Answer 9. Narayana Kritima Sankyatamam Nirikshya Sarvatra Sevakamapi Swamavekshya Dhata Mayani Magna Hridayo Vimumohayavat Eko Bhabhuvita Tada Kabalardapanihi. So seeing Narayana himself, right, in Asankyatamam. Sankhya is numbers. Asankhya means it cannot be counted by numbers. So in numerous form, in numerous counts, seeing Narayana himself in everywhere, right? So as Brahma was looking, he now starts seeing sarvatra, in every place, he actually sees swayamapi sevakam. He's now seeing Brahma himself worshipping each of those Narayana as well. So you have to imagine, right? So Brahma is now coming and he sees all these Narayana, and then he sees Narayana lying, Lakshmi Devi is there, all the Sanaka and other stages are there. Now he's seeing a Brahma himself in that picture as well. So by looking at this, he gets completely confused as to what is actually happening. So in YouTube, if we just kind of search for, parallel universes and how Krishna explains the concept of parallel universes to Brahmana in the video. Now, don't ask me how that works and everything. I don't know that either. But essentially what Brahma is seeing is he's seeing multiple instances of himself, right? Worshipping Krishna, worshipping Narayana in that form. And then by that, he eventually realizes that all of this was Maya Nimagna Hridayaha. His heart now is overpowered by the Maya that Krishna was actually showing. And he eventually realizes that the person who is here as Krishna is Narayana himself. And once he realizes that, then you, O Lord, bring everybody, all the calves, all the Gopa boys, all of them into one person. And that one person, Eko, that one person is you, who is eating that half ball of rice. So if you remember in stanza 2, the third line there, it said, Twamsami bhukta kabalo gatavam stadhani. We talked about how Krishna was eating that half ball of rice when the calves disappeared. And then he went looking after the calves, right? At that time with that half ball of rice. So that all of these people are now merging into that one Krishna who is having that half ball of rice that he's actually eating. So then Brahma eventually learns his lesson, and then things get back to normal there. So Narayana Kritim. So Narayana Akritim, but say it together. Narayana Kritim Asankyatamam, if you want to break it, Asankyatamam Nirikshya, comma, Sarvatra Sevakamapi Swam Avekshya Dhata Maya Nimagna Hridayo Vimumoha Yavat. So put a it at the end of that line and comma, Yavat. Next line, Deko becomes Eko. So Eko Bhabhuvita Tada Kabalarda Panihi. Narayana Kritima Sankyatamam Nirikshya Sarvatra Sevakamapi Swamavekshya Dhata Maya Nimagna Hridayo Vimumoha Yavat Eko Bhabhuvita Tada Kabalarda Panihi.
Narayana Kritima Sankyatamam Narayana Kritima Sankyatamam Niriksha Sarvatra Sevakamapi Swamaveshya Data Maya Nimagna Hridayo Vimumoha Yavat Eko Babhuvita Tada Kavalardhabani.
Kabalarda Panihi. Yeah, Panihi.
Kavalardhabanihi. Narayana Kritima Sankyatamam this tune bit. Narayana Kritima Sankyatamam Niriksha Sarvatra Sevakamapi Swamavekshya Data Maya Nimagna Hridayo Vimumoha Yavat Eko Bhabhuvita Tada Kavalardhapanihi.
Narayana Kritima Sankyatamam Nirikshya Sarvatra Sevakamapi Samavekshya Maya Nimagna Hridayo Vimumoha Yavat Eko Babhuvita Tada Kabalatapanihi.
Which is second line. Sevakamapi Swam, not Sabam. Swamavekshya Dhata.
Swamavekshya. Okay.
Yes.
Narayana Kritima Sankyatamam Nirikshya Sarvatra Sevakamapi स्वमवेक्ष्य दादा माया निमग्नहृदयो विमुमोहयावत् येगो बभूवित तदा कबलात्तपाणिः.
Last answer. नश्यन्मदे तदनु विश्वपतिं मुहुस्त्वां नत्वा च नूतवति धातरिधामयाते पोतैः समं प्रमुदितैः प्रविशन्निकेतं वातालयादिपविभो परिपाहि रोगात्. Nashyan Made. So when Brahma's pride, Madam, was then destroyed, then by you, who is the Vishwapatim, right, you are the Lord of the universe, then Brahma then realized that mistake, and he, he realized who you are, and then prostrated before you, Natva, he prostrated before you, asked for forgiveness, and then Brahma then goes back. So now all the boys and the calves are now back to normal. So and they've all grown in that 1 year period. So they are the boys and the calves along with Krishna. Now Niketam, they now go back to their respective houses as well, and everything is back to normal. So in this way, Krishna, you helped all the Gopa boys and the calves when Brahma abducted them. So in similar way, Vatalayadipa, O Lord of Guruvayur, Paripahi Roga, please eradicate all my ailments and diseases as well. And this part concludes this 52. So Nashyan Madhe Tadanu Vishwapatim Muhustvam, Natva Cha Nutavati Dhatari Dhama Yate. Potaihi, so put is Potais Samam Pramuditaif, put the if there, Pramuditaif Pravishan Niketam, Vatalayadipa Vibho Paripahi Roga. Nashyan Made Tadanu Vishwapatim Muhustvam Natva Chanutavati Dhatari Dhamayate Potai Samam Pramuditai Pravishan Niketam Vatalayadipa Vibho Paripahi Roghat.
Nashyan Made Dadanu Vishwapatim Muhustvam Natva Chanutanavati Dhataridhamayate Bhotai Samam Pramudikaif Pravishan Niketam Vatalayadhipa Vibho Paripahi Rogat. Nashyan.
See the second line, you said Nutana, it's just Nutavati, second line. Natvacha Nutavati.
Okay. Nashyan Made Tadanu Vishwapatim Muhustvam Natva Janutavati Dhatari Dhamayate Potai Samam Pramudikaif Pravishan Niketam Vatalayadhipa Vibho Paripahi Rogat.
Nashyan Made Tadanu Vishwapadim Muhustvam Natva Chanutavadi Dhadaritamaya Bodai Samam Pramudi Daif Pravishan Niketam Vatalayadipa Vibho Paripahi Rogat. Nashyan Made Tadanu Vishwapadim Muhustvam Natva Cha Nutavadi Dhadaritamaya Bodai Samam Pramudidaif Pravishan Niketam Vatalayadipa Vibho Paripahi Rogat.
Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. That completes 52. So we'll move on to 54. So 54 and 55 are kind of connected, right? So we will start with 54 today. This is the reason why Kalia, the snake, actually comes to Yamuna river, what happens. And then 55 is the Kali and Nardhanam itself that happens. So stanza 1. Tvatsevotka saubharirnama purvam kalandyantar dvadashabdam tapasyan Meenavrate snehavan bhogalole tarkshyam sakshadaikshataagre kadhachit. So long time back, and they don't exactly say like how many years before Krishna or anything here. So there was a river, there was a rishi whose name was Saubhari, that was the name of the rishi. And then Kalindyan, then in the waters of Kalindi. So I'll ask Sabita, who is Kalindi? You'll say the person who got paneer yesterday.
Exactly. The salad yesterday.
Yeah. So Kalindi is refers to the river Yamuna. So that is the name of the river Yamuna is Kalindi. So that because Kalinda Kanya, it comes later, the king daughter of the king of Kalinga or something like that, but it's called Kalindi. That's the name of the river. So this rishi Saubarir was actually performing penance there. Tvat Sevotkaha, he was kind of worshipping you. Dwada Shabdam for 12 years. And how was he worshipping? He was performing penance underwater. So in the river Kalindi, he was actually performing the penance, right? So for I think since Sabita and Priya kind of come to the other this thing, this is same as the Prachetas who were doing penance underwater, right? In the Guruvayur tank. Similarly, they were these Saubarir was doing. When he was there for 12 years and he was completely, he had given up everything and he's doing penance, what happens is he started getting attached to the fishes who live there, right? Because he's completely doing penance. At the time the fish comes, and sometimes when he opens his eyes, he actually sees the fishes who are actually living there. And so somehow he's beginning to connect himself to the fish because he's living there for 12 years. One day, Sakshat Aikshatagre, he saw with his own eyes, he actually sees Garuda who comes there, or an eagle, right? But in this case, it is Garuda comes, or some eagle who actually is coming to the waters of Yamuna one day. So, Tvat Sevotkas Saubharir Nama Purvam, comma, Kalindhyanthar Dwada Shabdam Tapasyan Meena Vrate Snehavan Bhogalole, comma, Tarkshyam Sakshat Aikshatagre Kadachit. If you want to break it, Sakshat Aikshatagre. Twatse Vodkas Saubharir Nama Purvam Kalindhyantar Dwada Shabdam Tapasyan Meena Vrate Snehavan Bhogalole Tarkshyam Sakshad Aikshatagre Kadachit.
Rajesh,
Hmm.
I have Takshyam, sorry, but Anna, I wanted to, I have Taksh, and then there's a half ra on top of here.
Yeah.
Takshyam nirukku. It's Takshyam or Takshryam?
Like Takshiryam, you can't say it, right? So it becomes Tarkshyam, because the Takshiryam, you can't, it doesn't come like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Takshyam.
Tarkshyam, yeah. Even though that thing is coming at the end, because the ksha is not a full ksha. If the ksha was a full ksha, that ir would have come on top of that.
Okay.
Right? That's why it's then it will become tar. For example, if there was a full ksha, let's ignore, imagine ya was not there, it will become tarksham. That's fair, right? But because it's a half ksha, they have to put the ir on top of the ya.
Okay.
Okay.
நான் சொல்லலாமா அப்போ?
Go ahead, yeah.
Okay. Tvatsevatotkas Saubharirnama Purvam Kalintyantar Vatashaptam Tapasyan Ninavrate Snehavan Bhogalole Taksham Sakshataikshadagre Kadachit.
The first line, the first line, Tvat Sevotkas.
Tvatsevotkas.
Yes, correct.
Tvatsevotkas Saubharirnama Purvam Kalintyantar Twadashabdam Tapasyan Meena Vrate Snehavan Bhogalole Tarksham Sakshadaikshadagre Kadachit. I may have to take a break for 5 minutes. I'll be back.
Okay. Sangeeta, Sangeeta V, you can be student till Srividya comes back, okay?
त्वत्सेवोत्कस् सौबरिर्नाम पूर्वं कालिन्द्यन्तर्वादशाब्दं तपस्यन् मीनव्रादि स्नेहवान् भोगलोले दाक्ष्यं दैक्षदाग्रे कदाचित् त्वत्सेवोत्कस् सौबरिर्नाम पूर्वं कालिन्द्यन्तर्वादशाब्दं तपस्यन् मीनव्रादे स्नेहवान् भोगलोले तार्क्ष्यं तार्क्ष्यं साक्षादैक्षताग्रे कदाचित्.
Stanza 2. Twadvaham tam sakshudham trikshasунhum meenam kanchijjakshatam lakshayan saha taptaschitte shaptavanatra chetvam jantun bhokta jeevitam chapi mokta. So actually in the previous line, previous thing, he is seeing fishes mating, right? Saubari, when he's living there for 12 years. So when he sees fishes mating, so he somehow is getting attached to the fishes itself. He now feels like it is part of his own family. It's part of his own network, Mari. So when this Garuda or this eagle is actually now coming and it scoops a bunch of fishes, the leader of the fishes pack is now getting carried away by Garuda. So when the leader of the fishes pack goes away, then he's now, Saubarir is now getting very affected by that, because he's saying, I've grown with these fishes, I've seen these fishes grow, and now this Garuda is coming, or this eagle is coming, and it's taking away the fishes and it's messing up their families. So he's now so attached to those fishes that he gets very upset about it, and then he goes and he gives a curse to Garuda to say, if you come to this lake, if you come to this river to then eat any of the creatures which are in this river, you are then going to die. You're going to lose your life. He then gives a curse to the Garuda or the eagle who is actually coming there. Now, the thing here is, and which is not mentioned in Narayaniam, is this Saubarir, because he sees the fishes mating and everything, he somehow starts getting desire for himself. So he then gives up the penance that he was actually doing for 12 years. And then he goes to a king, and then he gets married to a bunch of the king's daughters. And then he leads a regular life. And then eventually then he realizes his mistakes and everything. And he gives up, and again, he comes back and becomes a sannyasi later on in his life. But here also the thing is whether what he did is right or wrong, right? It's a very difficult question to answer. But because he did this, there is going to be consequences which are going to happen, right, as a result of that. So that's why, whether whatever you do, right, it's difficult to say whether it was the right thing or not. In this, should he have cursed this Garuda or not, it's a difficult question to answer, because the fish was Garuda's food. Now, because he now cursed it, we'll see what happens next. So, Twadvaham tam sakshudham trikshasунhum, meenam kanchij jakshatam lakshayan saha taptash chitte shaptavan atra chetvam, jantun bhokta jeevitam chapi mokta. Twadvaham tam sakshudham trikshasунhum meenam kanchij jakshatam lakshayan saha taptaschitte shaptavanatra chetvam jantun bhokta jeevitam chapi mokta.
Vadvaham tam sakshudam trikshasунhum meenam kanchijjakshatam lakshayan saha taptaschitte shaptavanatra chetvam jantun bhokta jeevitam chapi mokta. Twadvaham tam sakshudam trikshasунhum meenam kanchijjakshatam lakshayan saha taptaschitte shaptavanatra chetvam jantun bhokta jeevitam chapi mokta.
Tvatvaham tam sakshutam drukshashunum meenam kanjit जक्षतं लक्षयन् सः तप्तश्चित्ते शप्तवानत्र चेत्त्वं जन्तून् भोक्ता जीवितं शाभिमोक्ता त्वत्त्वाहं तं सक्षुतं दृक्षशूनुं मीनं कञ्जिक्षतं लक्षयन् सः तप्तश्चित्ते शप्तवानत्र चेत्त्वं जन्तून् भोक्ता जीवितं शाभिमोक्ता.
The first line, Jayashree, the first Twadvaham tam Sakshudham. Okay, Sakshudham Triksha Sunum. Aditya Triksha.
Tvatvagam tam dhamma tam
Ta.
Tatvaham tam Shakshudham Drikshashunum
Triksha Sunum.
Trikshashunum.
Yeah, okay. Answer 3. Tasmin kale khaliyah kshveladarpate sarparate kalpitam bhagamashnan tena krodhatvat bhoja bhaja pakshakshiptastadurapam payoghat. So at that time in Ramanaka, so if you Google where that is, it will say it is in Fiji area. So on the Ramanaka, there was another river or something where Garuda, the same Garuda who came in the previous one to eat the fishes, also used to go. But he used to go there because he used to go there to eat snakes, because eagles also, capture the snakes. So on that, they used to go, and he used to now consume all the snakes in that area, in that island that he used to actually go there. On that, there was another snake whose name was Kalia, who was a very poisonous snake. Now, the snakes of the area, right, they decided that because this Garuda keeps coming and consuming all of us, and a lot of it ends up going waste. So let's maybe allocate every time Garuda comes, they're going to then give 1 or 2 snakes to Garuda. That way, the rest of them don't get killed. So when they got into that arrangement with Garuda, what this Kalia used to do is, snakes also eat other snakes. So this Kalia used to come and eat those snakes that were kept for Garuda. So when that happened, and one day Kalia and Garuda got into a fight, and Garuda then hits Kalia with its powerful wings, because of which Kalia now gets hurt. Okay, so and that's happening. Separate story is actually happening in parallel, right? And that is happening in this some other island right now. So Tasmin Kale Kaliyaha, and then put a comma, because anytime Ksha is coming, you have to say the Visarga in front. So Kaliyaha, comma, Kshvela Darpate, comma, Sarparatehe is there, so you can put that eh sound there. Sarparate Kalpitam Bhagamashnan Tena Krodat Twat Padambhoja Bhaja, comma. So Krodat, there's the it, and then Twat Padambhoja Bhaja, comma. Paksha Kshiptas Tad Durapam Payogat.
Kshiptaha Varma, sorry. Paksha Kshiptaha.
Okay, so then put the is to join, essentially. That is a joining for the Visarga. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Is.
Thank you.
Tasmin kale kaliyah kshvela darpate sarparate kalpitam bhagamashnan tena krodatvat padamboja bhaja pakshakshiptastadurapam payoghat.
Tasmin kale kaliyah shvela darpat sarparadeh kalpitam bhagamashnan tena krodhat tvad padam bhoja bhaja pakshakshiptas tat dhurapam payoghat. Tasmin kale kaliyah kshvelatarpat sarparadeh kalpitam bhagamashnan tena krodhat twadpadam bhoja bhaja pakshakshiptas tad दुरापं पयोघात्
तस्मिन् काले कालीयः श्वेलतर्पात् सर्पारादैः कल्पितं भागमश्नन् तेन क्रोधात् त्वत्पदाम्बोजभाजा पक्षक्षिप्तस्तदुराभं पयोगात्
Tad durapam. Last line. Tad durapam.
த இத்து வருமா?
Id.
தத் தத் துராபம் இங்க ததுராபம்
Double.
இன்னும்
ரெண்டு the இருக்கா?
இல்ல ஒரு தான் இருக்கு.
But they must have put a half one on top or something then.
என்ன தத்
Tad durapam. Double the இருக்கு. ஒரு இது வருது ஒரு du வருது. Pakshakshiptas tadurapam.
तस्मिन् काले कालीय श्वेलतर्पात् सर्पारादेः कल्पितं भागमश्नन् तेन क्रोधात् त्वत्पदाम्बोजभाजा पक्षक्षिप्तस्तद्दुराभं भयोगात्. Correct?
Stanza 4. घोरे तस्मिन् सूरजानीरभासे तीरे वृक्षा भिक्षताः क्ष्वेलवेगात् पक्षिव्राताः पेतुरभ्रे पतन्तः कारुण्यार्दं त्वन्मनस्तेन जातम्. So I forgot to say in the previous stanza. So because Garuda then hit Kaliya and he injured him, Kaliya then comes to Yamuna river because he knows that's where Garuda is forbidden from coming because of the sage Saurabh's curse. Now I don't know how Kaliya knew about it, but that's how Kaliya actually comes over to this Yamuna river. That's what is happening in the previous stanza as well. So here, when that cruel Kaliya, when he is now remaining Ghore Tasmin, when he now is in this waters of Yamuna, because of the intense poison that Kaliya, that snake actually has, what happens is a couple of things happen. Tire vrikshaha, the trees which are on the banks of the river Yamuna where he is there, bhikshataha, they all completely dry up. So there are absolutely no leaves and they start shedding all the leaves because of the poison, because of the heat that's actually coming from the river, from the Yamuna river. And also the Pakshivrataha, the birds which were actually flying over the Yamuna river, because of the poisonous heat coming from the river, the birds were also falling dead on the banks of the river Yamuna. And so because of that, when all of this is actually happening, and this is in one portion of the Yamuna river, right at the end. So your heart, the Karunyardam, you being a person of compassion, you are now feeling your heart is melting because Kaliya is now, because of the poison, everything in that area is actually getting completely destroyed. So Ghore Tasmin Suraja Neera Vase, comma, Tire Vriksha Vikshataha, because the Ksha is coming later. So Vikshataha, comma, Kshvela Vegat. Pakshivrataha, so put a if there, Pakshivrataha Peturabre Patantaha, comma, Karunyadram Twan Manas Tena Jatam. Ghore Tasmin Surajani Ravase Tire Vriksha Vikshataha Kshvela Vegat Pakshivrataha Peturabre Patantaha Karunyardram Tvanmanastena Jatam.
घोरे तस्मिन् सूरजानीरवासे धीरे वृक्षाः विक्षताः.
Tire Vriksha Vikshataha.
Okay. धीरे वृक्षा वृक्षताः क्ष्वेलवेगात् पक्षिव्रातः पेतुरभ्रे पदन्तः कारुण्यार्द्रं त्वन्मनस्तेन जातम्. घोरे तस्मिन् सूरजानीरवासे धीरे वृक्षा वृक्षताक्ष्वेलवेगात्
And the line, sorry, on the second line, Tire vriksha, adu vr, okay, vriksha. Next line is vikshataha, not, there's no br there, just vikshataha.
Okay. घोरे तस्मिन् सूरजा नीरवासे तीरे वृक्षा विक्षताः क्ष्वेलवेगात् पक्षिव्राताः पेतुरभ्रे पदन्तः कारुण्याद्रं त्वन्मनसस्तेन जातम्
घोरे तस्मिन् सूरजा नीरवासे धीरे वृक्षा विक्षताः श्वेलवेगात् पक्षिव्रातः पेदुरप्रे पदन्तः कारुण्यात्रं त्वन्मनस्तेन जातम् घोरे तस्मिन् सूरजा नीरवासे धीरे वृक्षा विक्षताः श्वेलवेगात् पक्षिव्रातः पेदुरप्रे पदन्तः कारुण्यात्रं त्वन्मनस्तेन जातम्.
The second line, Jayashri, end like Kshvela Vegat, and the KSH, Kshvela Vegat.
श्वेलवेगात्.
Yeah, correct. Stands up for
श्वेलवेगात्.
काले तस्मिन्नेकदा सीरपाणिं मुक्त्वा याते यामुनं काननान्तं त्वय्युद्धाम ग्रीष्म भीष्मोष्म तप्ता गोगोपाला व्यापिबन् क्ष्वेलतोयम्. So one day, then you, Krishna, had gone along with the boys, right, for grazing with the cows and the calves to this side of Yamuna where Kalia was actually residing, and they didn't know that. So they end up going there. And however, that day, in that end of the forest where this was happening, you did not take Balarama with you. So Bhattaripad is explicitly saying you actually Muktva Sirapanim. You left Balarama behind that day, right? So why did Krishna leave Balarama behind that day? Anyone wants to say? Or why it is said?
எனக்கு பலராமரே ஒரு பாம்பு இல்லையா, snake.
Yeah, so Balarama is Adishesha's incarnation, right? And what is Krishna going to do in the next chapter? He's going to dance on Adishesha, right? So Adhanala, so that's a kind of significance of why Balarama did not, or he left Balarama behind. You know, that is the interpretation. That is the closest interpretation we can do to why Balarama did not come that day. Because it's explicitly said, right? Otherwise, he doesn't have to say Krishna. Even the last time Aghasura, you know, he is explicitly saying Balarama was left behind. So they all go grazing, and when they go grazing, then because of the intense heat that was actually there that day, Grishma, it was summer season, it was intense heat. So the boys and the cows go and drink water from the poisoned water of Yamuna. Shwela means poison. Shwela toyam means poisoned water. So they actually go and consume that water from the Yamuna, and they all immediately fall down. Khale tasmin ekada. You can break it that way if you want, but tasmin ekada, you can say it together. Tasmin ekada sira panim, and then put a plus. Muktva yate yamunam khananantam. So those two lines are together. Tvayuddhama, double the is there. Tvayuddhama grishma bhishmoshma tapta. And some books have taptaha, but majority just had tapta. So if you have Visarga, can remove it off. So Tvayuddhama grishma bhishmoshma tapta, comma, gogopala vyapibhan kshvelatoyam. काले तस्मिन्नेकदा सीरपाणिं मुक्त्वा याते यामुनं काननान्तं त्वय्युद्धाम ग्रीष्म भीष्मोष्म तप्ता गोगोपाला व्यापिबन् क्ष्वेलतोयम्.
काले तस्मिन्नेकदा सीरपाणिं मुक्त्वा याते यामुनं काननान्तं त्वय्युत्थाम ग्रीष्म भीष्मोक्ष्मतप्ता गोपाला व्यापिबन् क्ष्वेलतोऽयम् काले तस्मिन्नेकदा सीरपाणिं मुक्त्वा याते यामुनं काननान्दम् त्वय्युत्थाम ग्रीष्म भीष्मोक्ष्मतप्ता गोपाला व्यापिबन् क्ष्वेलतोऽयम्
काले तस्मिन्नेकदा सीरपाणिं मुक्त्वा याते यामुनं काननान्तं त्वय्युत्थाम ग्रीष्म भीष्मोक्ष्मतप्ता गोपाला व्यापिबन् क्ष्वेलतोऽयम् काले तस्मिन्नेकदा सीरपाणिं मुक्त्वा याते यामुनं काननान्तं त्वय्युत्थाम ग्रीष्म भीष्मोक्ष्मतप्ता गोपाला व्यापिबन् क्ष्वेलतोऽयम्.
Stanza 6. Nashya जीवान् विच्युतान् क्ष्मातलेथान् विश्वान् पश्यन् अच्युतत्वं धयार्द्रः प्राप्योपान्तं जीवयामासि तद्राक् पीयूषाम्बो वर्षिभिः श्रीकटाक्षैः. So now when the Gopa boys and the calves were all down because of consuming the poisoned water, so you, O Lord, you brought them all. They were not completely dead, but you brought them all back to life, or you brought them back on just by your auspicious glances, Sri Katakshahi, because of your auspicious glances, which it was as if it was sprinkling nectar on the boys and the cows and the calves, and they all were brought back to life. So that's what is happening here. Nashya Jivan Vichyutan Kshmataletan. Again, not a full ksha, but the half ksha. Kshmataletan, comma. Vishwan Pashyan Nachuta. Pashyan plus Achyuta, but on the in and ana, double na happens. So Pashyan Nachuta Tvam Dayardraha. Prapyo Pantam Jivayam Asita, if you want to break it, Jivayam Asita Drak, comma, Piyushambho Varshibihi is there. So you can put a ish to join it. Varshibish Sri Katakshaihi. Nashya Jivan Vichyutan Kshmataletan Vishwan Pashyan Achyutatvam Dhayardraha Prapyopantam Jivayamasi Tadrak Piyushambo Varshibhi Sri Katakshaihi.
Nashya Jivan Vichyutan Kshmataletan Vishwan Pashyan Achyutatvam Tayartraha Prapyopantam Jivayamasi Tatrak Piyushambho Varshibhi Sri Katakshaihi. Nashya Jivan Vichyutan Kshmataletan Vishwan Pashyan Achyutatvam Dayardraha Prapyopantam Jivayamasi Tatrak Drak Piyushambho Varshibhi Sri Katakshaihi.
Nashya Jivan Vichyudan Kshmataletan Vishwan Pashyan Achyutatvam Dayatraha Prapyopandam Jivayamasi Tatrak Piyushambo Varshibis Sri Kadakshaihi. Nashya Jivan Vichyudan Kshmataletan Vishwan Pashyan Achyutatvam Dayatraha Prapyopandam Jivayamasi Tatrak Piyushambo Varshibhi श्रीकटाक्षैः
Stanza 7. Kim kim jato harsha varshatirekaha sarvangeshvidyuttita gopasanghaha drishtva gre tvam tvatkritam tat vidhantaha twamalingan drishtanana prabhavaha. So when the Gopa boys now come back, when they recover, then they suddenly are seeing a lot of, they're experiencing a lot of bliss inside their bodies, because they somehow they wake up, and because of the previous stanza, right, Varshvi Shri Katakshahi, because of your glances, they are now feeling extreme intense bliss, the Gopa boys are feeling. And when they all wake up, and then they see that they all have just woken up, and they see only you, O Krishna, are standing in front of them, then they have seen you help them out from Aghasura, from Trinavarta, from all these other people. So the Gopa boys know that you are a very powerful person, or you are the reason why they are getting help at every point. So they realize that they have now been recovered, or they have now survived all only because of your glory and because of what you have done. So because of the extreme bliss they have, they now go and Twam Alingan, they all go and embrace you, and they are all extremely happy that you actually saved their lives. Kim kim jato harsha varshati rekaha, comma, sarvangesh, and the next line, sarvangesh with yuttita. It's difficult to break it. So sarvangesh with yuttita, yuttita gopa sangaha. It's difficult because it's otherwise difficult to break it. Drishtva gre tvam tvat kritam tad vidhantaha, tad vidhantaha. So put a visarga at the end of that line in the comma. Next line, if you have a is that goes off, tvam alingan, drishta nana prabhavaha. Kim kim jato harsha varshati rekaha sarvangeshvityuttita gopasanghaha drishtva gre tvam tvatkritam tad vidhantaha twamalingan drishtanana prabhavaha.
Kim kim jato harsha varshadirekah sarvangesh vidyuttita gopasangaha drishtva tvam tvadkritam tad vidana vidanna
Vidantaha. Tad vidantaha.
Tadvidantaha twamalingan drishtanana prabhavaha. Kim kim jato harsha varshadirekah sarvangesh vidyuttita gopasangaha drishtva gre tvam tvatkritam tad vidantaha twamalingan drishtanana prabhavaha.
किं किं जादो हर्षवर्षादिरेगः सर्वांगेश विद्युत्तिदा गोबशंगाः दृष्ट्वाग्रे त्वां त्वत्कृदं तत्विदन्दः त्वामालिङ्गन् दृष्टनाना प्रभावाः. किं किं जादो हर्षवर्षादिरेगः सर्वांगेश विद्युत्तिदा गोबशंगाः दृष्ट्वाग्रे त्वां त्वत्कृदं तत्विदन्दः त्वामालिङ्गन् दृष्टनाना प्रभावाः.
Stanza 8. Gavaschaivam labda jivaha kshanena Shvetanandastvam cha drishtva purastat Dragavabrus sarvato harshabhashpam vyamunchantyo mandamudhyaninada. So now, just like the Gopa boys, once the Gopa boys came up, next the Gavaha, all the cows and the calves who had also consumed the water and died, you love the Jivaha. They also came back to life, or they also recovered. Kshanena, in that in an instant, they also got back. So now again, seeing you in front of them, even the cows and the calves all started surrounding you, O Krishna. And then Udhyaninadaha means like producing that low moving noise, right? The moo noise, but in a very low manner. Kind of, as a poet, he's saying they are like also thanking you. So they are coming to you and they realize that they are also recovered because of you. And they come and express their affection and express their love to you, just like the Gopa boys did. And they do it in a very low moving noise here by surrounding you. Gavash Chaivam Labda Jivaha, again because Ksha is coming after, so Jivaha, you say the Visarga and a comma, Kshanena, comma, Sweetanandas Twam Cha Drishtva Purastat, Draga Babruhu, so put a is there, Draga Babrus Sarvato Harsha Bhashpam, and then put a plus, Vyamunchantyo Mandham Udhyaninadaha. If you want to break it, Mandham Udhyaninadaha, or you can say that together, Mandam Udhyaninadaha. Gavaschaivam labda jivaha kshanenhan Sweetanandastvam cha drishtva purastat Draga Vabrus Sarvato Harshabashmam Vyamunchantyo Mandamudhyaninadaha.
Gavaschaivam labdha jivaha kshanena Spitanandas tvancha drishtva purastat Dragavavrus sarvato harshabash Bhashyam Vyamunchantyo Mandamudhyaninada.
And third line, Srividya, Harsha Bhashpam. Bhashpam.
Okay, Pashpam.
Bhashpam. Baba. Bina. Bhashpam.
Third badana.
The first pa, pa, bha. The first ba.
Okay. Ba.
Harsha Bhashpam. And the last word, Mandam Udhyan Ninadaha.
Mandamudhyaninadaha.
Correct.
Okay. Gavaschaivam labda jivaha kshanena Spitanandastvancha drishtva purastat Draga Vavrus sarvato harsha bhashpam Vyamunchantyo Mandamudhyaninadaha.
Gavashaivam lapta jivaha kshanena Spitanandastvam cha drishtva purastat Draga Vavrus Sarvato Harshapashpam Vyamunchantyo Mandamudhyaninadaha.
Mandam, if you say, then it becomes Udhyaninadaha.
Mandamudhyaninadaha.
Yeah, correct.
Gavashaivam lapta jivaha shanena Spitanandastvam cha drishtva purastat Dragavavrus sarvato harshapashpam Vyamunchantyo Mandamudhyaninadaha.
Answer 9. Romanchoyam sarvato nasharirem Bhuyasyantah kachidananda murcha Ascharyoyam kshvela vego mukunde tyukto gopair nandito vandito bhu. So the Gopa boys are saying, oh Mukunda, our bodies now, right? We are now feeling this sense of romanchoyam. We are feeling this sense of, like the Pullarikiramari, we having this experience in our bodies right now. And even in outside as well as inside, it is like kadachit ananda murcha, some level of high bliss we are actually experiencing. And they say, you know what, I think this is because of this Kshvela Bego. I think the poison that we consumed in this river, I think that is what is actually giving us this level of high level of ecstasy or something. The boys are actually telling, and they're saying this is actually wonderful. This poison is actually good, because the moment we consumed it and we came out, and now all of a sudden we are actually feeling extremely happy and we're experiencing this bliss. They're just making fun, and then and then they also thank you at the end of the day, right? And then you vanditaha, and they praise you for helping them out. So essentially, they've all recovered. That's what. Just wrapping up this chapter here. So Roman Choyam Sarvato Naha is there. So put the ish nash sharire, comma Bhuyas yantaha. So again put the ich sound. Bhuyas yantah Kachid Ananda Murcha Ascharyoyam Kshvela Vego Mukunde, put a plus, Tyukto Gopair Nandito Bandito Bhuhu. Roman Choyam Sarvato Nasharire Bhuyasyantah Kachidananda Murcha Ascharyoyam Kshvela Vego Mukunde Tyukto Gopair Nandito Vandito Bhuhu.
रोमाञ्चोऽयं सर्वतो न शरीरे भूयश्चन्तः काचिदानन्दमूर्छा आश्चर्योऽयं क्ष्वेलवेगो मुकुन्देत्युक्तो गोपैर्नन्दितो वन्दितो भूः रोमाञ्चोऽयं सर्वतो न शरीरे भूयश्चन्तः काचिदानन्दमूर्छा आश्चर्योऽयं क्ष्वेलवेगो मुकुन्देत्युक्तो गोपैर्नन्दितो वन्दितो भूः.
இந்த கோ பை அந்த இடத்துல இரு பண்ணுமா என்ன பண்ணணும்?
Gopair. There's a ir there after that gopai.
Okay. Okay. रोमाञ्चोऽयं सर्वतो न शरीरे भूयस्यन्तः काचिदानन्दमूर्छा आश्चर्योऽयं क्ष्वेलवेगो मुकुन्दे युक्तो गोपैर्नन्दितो वन्दितो भूः.
And that's like Tyukto. Mukunde Tyukto.
रोमाञ्चोऽयं सर्वतो न शरीरे भूयस्यन्तः काचिदानन्दमूर्छा आश्चर्योऽयं श्वेलवेगो मुकुन्दे युक्तो गोपैर्नन्दितो वा?
There's like a half the and a u. Tyukto. Correct.
आश्चर्योऽयं श्वेलवेगो मुकुन्दे त्युक्तो गोपैर्नन्दितो वन्दितो भूः.
Correct.
Rajesh, sorry, వచ్చినది లాస్ట్ లైన్ లో కోపైహి verma కోపైర్ verma.
Gopair, and the gopaihi irundadunaka put a ir to join it essentially. Ir. Okay. Some books all automatically have that. If you have a visarga there, then just put a ir as the joining letter. Stanza 10. Evam bhaktan mukta jeevanapi tvam mugda pangairastarogam stanushi tadrugbhuta sphita karunya bhuma roghat paya vayugeha dinatha. So normally, if you, as you've seen, right, Bhattatripan only gives the last two lines or last one line depending on the chapter, where he says, you did all these things, O Krishna, O Lord of Guruvayur, please help me also out. In the chapter, he is given an entire paragraph. So he is saying, in this manner, Evam Bhaktan, all your devotees, which are the Gopa boys and the cows and the calves, because they are all so devoted to Krishna, they love Krishna so much. So all your devotees in this manner, Mukta Jeevanapi, although they had actually lost their lives, and they may technically not be fully dead, because that you cannot do, but maybe they kind of almost were on the verge of dying, right? They're Mukta Jeevan, because of the poison they consumed, they're about to die. And Asta Rogam, and you removed them, you cured them of all the problems they have. That's the reason they did not completely die, they recovered, and also they were feeling this intense bliss inside. So you cleared them of all the diseases and everything that they had, right? Just by your charming glances, right? Like Sri Katakshahi, just with your charming glances, you were able to do for all those boys and all those calves and everything. So you are such a Karunya Bhuma, you are a person who's filled with compassion. Oh, Vayu Gehadinata, oh Lord of Guruvayur. Similarly, Roghat Paya. Similarly, please eradicate my ailments and my diseases as well, just like what you did to all the Gopa boys and the cows there. So, Evam Bhaktan Mukta Jivan api Tvam, comma, Mugdha Pangair Asta. If you want to break it, you can break it at Mugdha Pangair Asta Rogams. Or you can say that whole thing together. Mugdha Pangair Asta Rogams Tanoshi. Tadrig Ig is there. Not the full G, but the half G. Tadrig Bhuta Spita Karunya Bhuma, comma, Rogat Paya Vayu Gehadi. Some books have Vasa, Vayu Gehadi Vasa. Some books have Vayu Gehadi Natha. So we just decided to stick with Natha. So in case you have Vasa, change it to Natha. So Vayu Gehadi Natha. Evam Bhaktan Mukta Jivana Pitvam Mugda Pangairasta Rogam Stanoshi Tadrug Bhuta Spita Karunya Bhuma Roghat Paya Vayu Gehadinatha.
Evam Bhaktan Mukta Jivana Pitvam Mugdha Pangair Astarogam Stanoshi Tadrug Bhuta Spita Karunya Bhuma Rogat Paya Vayu Gehadinatha. Evam Bhaktan Mukta Jivana Pitvam Mukta Pangair Astarogam Stanoshi Tadrug Bhuta Spita Karunya Bhuma Rogat Paya Vayu Gehadinatha.
Evam Bhaktan Mukta Jivana Bitvam Mukta Bangair Astarogam Stanokshi Tatruk Buddha Spita Karunya Bhuma Rogat Bhaya Vayu Gehadi Nada. Evam Bhaktan Mukta Jivana Bitvam Mukta Bangair Astarogam Stanokshi Tatruk Buddha Spita Karunya Bhuma Rogat Bhaya Vayu Gehadinada.
Now, and the last letter is Natha. The second.
Vayu Gehadinatha.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakam anupamitam Kaladheshavadebhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashata Sahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punarurupurushartatmakam Brahmatattvam Tattavad Bhadi Sakshad Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Jananam Kahena Vacha Manasendriyerva Buddhyatmana va Prakrite Swabhavat Karomi Yatyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayana Heti Samarpayami.